Hi y'all, truck driver Linda, truck driver Paul is
sitting up front in my usual spot.
He's out of my way up there when I'm cooking. So where are we? We are in Grants, New Mexico right now. It's very cloudy. I think it's gonna rain. So what are we gonna make today? We subscribe to a channel across the pond called the Gourmet Grandad. He has some of the best stuff, and he's funny. He has recently went on holiday to Greece, and his last couple of videos has been Greek inspired. He did a video with a Greek salad while he was in Greece. You can see Greece in the background. He's home now. He's posted another video. But he looks very relaxed. He looks like he had a wonderful time in Greece. So he inspired me to do something Greek. So today we're going to make Spanakorizo, which is a Greek rice with spinach in it. Y'all, come on. Y'all should know me and spinach by now. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to do everything in the lunchbox. However, if you have a skillet or a stovetop, you can make this in a skillet instead. I haven't really done a lunchbox in a while, so I wanted to do this one in the lunchbox. So what I've done is I've plugged it in and I've preheated it with the pan. And in the pan, I've added a half a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, let me get y'all turned down here so you can see a little better of what I'm doing. I'm covering it loosely so I can get in and out of it really easy. So inside here, I'm gonna add, it's about 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Add that. And then I'm gonna cover it and just let those cook a little bit. 5 or 10 minutes, I wanna say. You want the onion to get a little translucent and the aroma in the garlic to kind of break free. So give it 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll come back and check it. Okay, it's actually been 7 minutes. So I'm just gonna give that a check. Let me turn y'all down. Can you hear it? Oh yeah. All right. Let me just, oh, it's gonna be hot. Okay. Alright, so that's looking really, really good. Alright, what I have here is I have the zest of 1 lemon. Now you can buy it or you can make it. I made this. I'm not great at making it because you're not supposed to get the white from the lemon peel, but I get it anyway, so it'll be okay. I'll just add it anyway. Alright, add the zest of 1 lemon. A half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix that up in there. And then you're going to want about, depends on how much you like spinach, a half a cup to 1 cup of chopped fresh spinach. I'm going to say this is about a cup, and I'm going to add all of it. Y'all know how much I love spinach. And then I'm going to cover it. You just want to cook it till the spinach gets wilted. Okay, so it's just been like 5 minutes. I just want to check it to see how the spinach is doing and kind of mix it up a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that looks really good. After just like 5 minutes, that's what you have. Okay, so that's actually exactly the way I want it. Alright. I'm actually going to take my pan out now. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is basmati rice. And then I've got 1 cup of vegetable broth I'm adding. And this is fresh dill, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon. So I'm just going to add that. And then I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Alright, mix that up. And then cover it. And you're gonna bake it directly on the bottom. About 45 minutes. 42 minutes. Close enough to 45. Let me give this a quick check. I'm actually gonna pull this out. Get rid of that. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna stir it a little bit. Oh yeah, it's done. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna add maybe about another half a tablespoon or so of fresh dill. I've got the juice of 1 lemon. So it makes, I don't know, 1/4 cup maybe. And I'm gonna stir that in there. And look at that. Ooh. Okay, y'all know what we're gonna do now, right? We're gonna get it served up and we're gonna get Paul back here and we're gonna see what he thinks. All right, y'all, look who's here.
Hi. The food is ready, so I'm back.
Yeah, so Roger, AKA the Gourmet Grandad, you have inspired me to go totally Greek today. I've got Greek chicken with tzatziki sauce, but I think the Greeks pronounce it tzatziki, and Spanakorizo, which is Greek rice with spinach, lemon, and dill, basically. No spinach on the side. We have it in the plate.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm. So how does your rice taste?
She did a wonderful job. That's pretty good.
Mm. You know, it's amazing. You would not think lemon and dill in rice would go well. So good. I love this. I could eat this rice all the time. Alright, y'all. Go check out Gourmet Grandad's channel. Give him a big shout out from us. That's all we got for today. 1, 2, 3. If y'all like it, give us 1, 2, 3. Oh, I won! Chop one up for the cook. Share, subscribe. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.